आयज तुमी सीएमाक मेळपाक आयले कितें मिटींग आसली तुमची?
ना माझे थोडे वर्क्स डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स आहा न्हू पेंडींग आहले त्यो फायलींचो नंबर घेवन येयल्लो हांव आनी सेवान आतां क्लियर करता म्हणला मेजर काम म्हाजें तें चडशें डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स.
तुमचे डेव्हलपमेंट वर्काचेर फॉर्मर MLA आहा आमचे काणकोणचे तेणी कमेंट केल्लो की आपण 700 कोटीची कामां केल्या तरी 10% सुद्दां तुमी करता जाल्यार आपूण पार्टी करून सांगतलो PGP तिकीट तुमकांच मेळपाक जाय.
I have never demanded a BJP ticket. So who is he to give me?
डेव्हलपमेंट वर्काचेर त्यांनी चॅलेंज केला आपले 700 कोटीची
See,
कामां केल्या तर.
what is important is development works म्हणटा न्हू 700 कोटी केला 1000 कोटी केला I congratulate him. एक secondly people decide your works. If I boast that I have done so much work, if I boast, it is all depends on the people to accept that boasting. So let people decide when the election comes, and I don't require anybody's help to give me ticket free of cost. I am not interested in tickets. My people are my ticket.
इनॉग्रेशनही करूक नाही म्हणतात ते.
कोण?
त्यांचे जे प्रोजेक्ट असतात कंप्लीट झालेले त्याचे इनॉग्रेशनही करूक नाही तुम्ही.
It depends. If it is completed, I will inaugurate. If it is not completed, how can I inaugurate?
आफ्टर इलेक्शन तुम्ही ज्यांना निवडून दिले त्यांना रमेश तवडकर म्हणतात की प्रत्येक मिटिंगेक आपल्याक प्रेस करतालो की आपण रमेश तवडा खातीर निवडून दिलो आणि आता अचानक म्हणटा तो आपल्याचेर तुम्ही.
Very sorry, I don't give credit to any leader except the people.
नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन तुम्ही बीजेपीच्या तिकीटेर लढतले.
See, I am in BJP. It depends for the highest command to decide.
तुमचे
Sitting
एक्सपेक्टेशन
MLA सगळ्याक दिता न्हू तिकीट.
Of course.
तुमचे
we should-
एक्सपेक्टेशन आसा काय?
See, today we have taken a big sacrifice of joining BJP, 10 of us. So it is for party to decide to give us ticket or not. I am not demanding.
रिशफल
Because see, I will tell you, I got elected as independent. I got elected as BJP. I got elected as Congress. Now again I got elected as Congress. So I have taken all the
Multiple
this-
options.
No, not turns. I have taken all the available seats or tickets.
You have multiple options.
So I got any option as long as people vote for me.
रिशफल जाता म्हणून एक बोवाळ झाला तुम्ही क्लेम करता मिनिस्ट्री.
See, it is for the chief minister to decide whom to drop, whom not to drop. But if chief minister insists that I should take over, I am ready to serve the party and the people of Goa. At any
तुमका जर
point.
बीजेपी तिकीट मेळना जाल्यार तुम्ही इंडिपेंडंट रावतले
Who?
तुम्ही?
Let's wait for that turn to come.
रिशफलाचें हें चालू आहा न्हू तुमकां
That I don't know. But I am ready for any position which government gives me.